Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for those who are new here, my name is Caitlin and today I'm going to do a new updated everyday makeup look for 2023. It is very early in this new year and it is just January 2nd today, and I'm actually going to do this makeup look that I have previously started doing like just the last week. First of all, I just want to say I'm trying to figure out the lighting in my makeup videos. Let me know what you think because I don't have a ring light right now. I just washed my face, so I haven't put on any products or anything. I'm just going to put on my face creams and oils and then we will start this makeup look. I haven't been using makeup since Christmas. Usually I do my makeup like almost every single day or every other day or so. I let my skin breathe a bit and now I'm ready to start this new makeup routine that I have. I'm going to put some oil onto my face, and this is a Dream oil. I just started using this like yesterday, so I don't know yet how good it is with my new makeup routine. I might upgrade this in the next video, but anyways, okay, so this is the Dream oil. I cannot pronounce that, but it's from a brand called Raw Perfection. It looks like, oh, that much, but maybe you can see it like that. I've had a few breakouts these past like days and weeks, so not too much though, but still, so I just want to like take care of my skin again and make it feel so smooth, and this oil was really smooth on the skin. And then I'm going to do like sunscreen. There's no sun out, to be honest, so I really do not need it. I'm going to use Bioterm, but I do love the feeling of the sunscreen, so I'm just using it anyways. It is good to have sunscreen on whether it is winter or summer out. Doesn't matter, you should always wear sun protection screen in your face, so I always use this one. Then last but not least, I'm going to use this Photo Face by Doctor's Cosmetics. Let's just put it on. Okay, so I'm just going to take a little bit of this. It's supposed to be like a small amount, so as you can see, not much at all. This will go over my entire face, and this is good before makeup as a primer, and also like if you have pores. Recently started to use eyeliner, but today I'm just not going to do it, and I'm using the concealer Fenty Beauty concealer in 310 because I love this concealer. It's really good. Okay, so but I like the moisture of these products together. I'm going to blend this out. Like I really love this concealer. It's my favorite concealer of all time. It is really my go-to. I'm going to like use this forever until I find something that I feel is much better, but I'm very content with this. Like I'm so pleased with my concealer that I have right now. I'm not looking for another like a brand concealer or something. It's already smooth and blended out, and I'm going to use a little bit of my translucent powder on top of this just to set it in. We don't want it to be all creamy and stuff later on, so I'm just going to put a little bit of shadow on my eyelids. So as you can see, just going on top. The last time I did my makeup, shame on me, I haven't had time to wash my brushes. It was like 3 days ago or 2 days ago or something, because it was New Year's Eve. So yeah, 2 days ago. So that is the last time that I used my makeup. By the way, I am going in with my Huda Beauty palette, Rose Gold Remastered, and right now I'm using henna. The thing is, with the other brush that I use for my shadow that I would use on my Cocoa shadow, that is right now black, from the black shadow from my New Year's Eve that I have not washed, and shame on me for not washing it like yesterday. I wasn't planning on filming this video, so that is why I have not washed any of them yet, because I didn't even think that I would get my makeup done today. You know what, I'm going in with the same brush just to put on a little bit of cocoa. I'm sorry guys, if I were you though, and if I could, I would get another brush. So I'm just going in with a little bit of cocoa just to get that a little bit more intense shadow. My eyeshadow is actually done now because I just want it to be very simple. So I'm just going in with my Nude Sticks foundation. This is tinted cover number B10. Okay, so it looks like this, and I always pump it out on my hand. I always use only one pump, and I just put it like dot it out on my face. Whatever is left on my hand, I'm just going to take it up and be ready to blend it all out. Give me some feedback, because I'm like, the lighting, is it good, or is it like so bad that you don't want to continue watching this video? Because obviously I'm trying to do what works best, because what I did before, it was too yellow, it was too everything. I did not like it. It was not good. I was not pleased. I actually love Fenty Beauty foundation, but I also like this one. So this one works very fine. Like this one, works well, since my Fenty Beauty foundation is like finished, and this one is also finished as well. And this is Truffle for the contour. So I just put it up, like there. Remember, this is just my new makeup routine, so it doesn't matter that you have to do this or do it exactly the same way I do. And I always take some on my finger to contour my nose. I never take the stick on my nose or another like brush or equipment. I'm going to brush it out with this brush right here and brush it upwards, not downwards. Before I do brush out the rest of the contour, I'm going to put on my concealer and so that it sits for a little bit and sinks into my skin. So I'm just going to let it sit there while I brush out the rest of my contour that I did put up here. I'm just going to blend it out, because now that it's been sitting for a little while, maybe a little too long. I'm going to blend it out, and I am very content with this. I don't think this will crease, because sometimes when I don't let it sit, it does crease. So that is just why I let it sit a little bit longer. Going to use the same translucent powder as earlier. This is Makeup Revolution translucent powder, so I'm just going to dip this and put it under my eyes. I don't want too much because I don't want it to be cakey, but I still don't want it to crease, so just a little bit right there. Okay, what is next? Oh, blush. I actually use this doll face as a blush. That is a life hack. I actually like this one, so I'm just keep using it. because I don't use it as much on my eyelids. Like, I don't use it as eyeshadow, so oh, that was too much. But at least I can use it as a blush, and I like having a lot of blush because I think it's really cute, and I love pink, so why not pink it up, you know? Just a notch. Okay, so let's move on to the eyebrows. I'm not that picky with them. What do you think? They go into my skin and that is why I always do them anyways, just to uplift them a little bit, like, so that you can actually see that I'm having, like, that I have eyebrows at all. Okay. So I like to do them very natural. I want them to look like they always do, just that you can see them more. Okay, so I'm almost done. I'm just going to put on some shimmer and mascara and also lip gloss. So I'm using Fenty Beauty Match Stix foundation, and this is the color Rum, and this gives a nice glowy finish. So I'm just putting it on my hand and then taking my finger and dabbing it in to the face. Like, it also looks very glowy right now because of this light, but it's actually very nice and glowy with the product as well, so it's not just the light, okay? So I just put on mascara on this eye and like the upper lashes, and I'm going to do the lower lashes soon as well. I just wanted to do this one. So I like this look with only mascara and no eyeliner actually. I think it's so, because I want it to be a little bit more natural. I don't want it to be too much. Like, cute but simple. So I'm done with my mascara, and the only thing that is left is my lips. Okay, so I'm very excited because I just started using this lip combination and I love it so much. So I can't wait to show you guys. Okay, so as you can see now, my mascara, it's a little bit on my eyelids, but I will clean that up. But this is what it looks like right now. It's very natural, but it does look a little bit more shimmery and all of that because of the white light right here. I always go on the entire lip, and then I use this Kylie Cosmetics high gloss, always shining high gloss, and just I love this one. It looks a little bit pink, but it's just because of the combination, so it is actually just a white gloss. It's so gorgeous. I love it. Makeup is done. Let me know what you think about this makeup look. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and also comment down below whatever videos you want to see me do next. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below, and I will see you in my next one. Okay, bye.